I have presented the improvements we have done so far. I've also shown you the plans we have for this year. Let me now present to you the lineup of new products and services for 2011. Meron lang akong quick question sa inyo. How would you like to earn each time somebody turns on his or her TV? Gusto niyo ba kumita every time ay nagbubukas ng TV nila? Because beginning this year, one of the new products is Signal TV. Now, Signal TV is owned by PLDT. They own Mediascape. Of course, they own the stations TV5, Business World, Philippine Star. And if you talk about Signal, digital TV broadcast now via satellite. And most number of HD channels. I'm actually a subscriber of Signal now. And marami silang high definition channel. You can get postpaid and prepaid plans. And you can reload prepaid plans via smart over the air. That's why you can earn each time pinagbubukas ng TV. And we are going to use the platform of V-Mobile for empowerment, meaning yung network marketing programs natin, gagamitin natin in pushing this product. So that's Signal TV. Alright. 2011 will be a special year for all of us in V-Mobile because this year we're going to launch our very own mobile money transfer service. And we will call this one MyMo. Nakakatuwa kasi the industry generally refers to remittance using the acronym yung MIMO o MyMo, which actually means money in, money out. Now we will use it as our own trademark brand for the service, MyMo. Why? The global remittance flows are estimated to be at maybe around $360 billion US. Out of that amount, about 260 million flowing into developing countries. Ang Pilipinas, pang-apat sa pinakamalaking recipient ng mga remittance from abroad. This is why the remittance industry is thriving. And there is a great opportunity for us to enter this playing field. Imagine, para ka magkaroon ng remittance business, kailangan kasing laki ka ng Louis. Meron kang mga pawn shops. But because of V-Mobile, using your phone, you can participate in this business na malit lang ang kapital. Of course, napakasimple ng concept ng MIMO. Let me just quickly cover that. We will use the platform of V-Mobile. You have a receiving agent, which can be any technopreneur. And then you have the sender and the beneficiary. Now, it will start when the sender requests for money transfer. Papapirmahin siya ng forms ng receiving agent, distributed sa tatlo, sa sender, sa receiving agent, of course sa V-Mobile. This is part of requirement ng Bangko Sentral. And the beneficiary name and mobile phone number, ipapadalang information yan ng receiving agent sa system natin. The system will validate. Once validated, it will reply to the receiving agent. And of course, the load wallet gets deducted. So ginagamit ito yung load wallet system natin. And when it is deducted, makaka-receive ng confirmation yung sender and the beneficiary. And then the sender will now pay the receiving agent. Paano kayo marireceive ng beneficiary? Simple lang. Pupunta siya, pag naka-receive siya ng message na to, yung reference number, pupunta siya ngayon sa isang agent, ang tawag naman natin, paying agent. Pero technopreneur din siya. Now, the beneficiary will have to sign the form. Ganon din ang distribution. Because we will match these forms with the sender. Of course, the beneficiary will provide the information to the paying agent. The paying agent now validates that information from our system. And once he gets the validation, alam niyo mangyayari, yung kanyang load wallet madadagdagan. Pag nadagdagan, babayaran niya ngayon yung beneficiary ng pera. At meron po notification na marireceive si sender na natanggap ng beneficiary the money sent. Isn't that very simple? Alright. So with that, ang isang ordinaryong negosyante pwede na ngayong kumita sa remittance business. MyMo is also a solution to the growing need of V-Mobile for post-sale services such as reloading center. Iba ang nangyayari sa atin, gusto nating mag-V-Mobile pero yung reloading ng account medyo naging challenging because pupunta pa kayo sa bangko, mag-deposito kayo, pipila kayo. But with MyMo, yung mga MyMo agents can also be your reloading location. And instant yun. Kapag nag-transfer sila sa inyo ng load, nagiging pera yung credit na na-receive nila when they're doing the remittance. Correct? So, ganun kaganda yung MyMo. The more MyMo agents, the better and convenient for us, for all of you, na mag-reload ng account niyo. Ano ba mga requirements sa MyMo? Of course, BSP, AMLA training, commercial establishment, office, kailangan nyo yan. Hindi pwede kayong accredit kung wala kayong office. And cash, lots of it. Load valid credits, lots of them. We will announce soon the commencement of accreditation and the policies and procedures. This is open to all technopreneurs who can pass accreditation. So may accreditation po yan. Hintayin nyo lang, i-announce po namin this year. Alright. Now let's talk about something big that is also coming this year for V-Mobile. This time, on a subject that people always say and admit as the real wealth, our health. I'm proud to announce that we have new products for My Wellness.